अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मसरूर एजुकेशन इनसाइट्स। दोस्तों, इंट्री टेस्ट की तैयारी के लिए इस वीडियो में हमारे पास पाकिस्तान करंट अफेयर्स के चंद एमसीक्यूज़ हैं। मज़ीद अगर आप किसी भी किस्म की इंट्री टेस्ट की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं या इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द करंट चेयरमैन ऑफ सेनेट ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज़। Answer is Yusuf Raza Gilani. Next is, who is the current speaker of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Assembly? Answer is Salim Khan Sawati. Next is, who is the current Chief Justice of Sindh High Court? And the answer is Justice Muhammad Shafiq Siddiqui. Next is, D.I. Khan Motorway, inaugurated on 5th January 2022, is also known as. M14 is the right answer. Next is, the current Islamic year is. The right answer is 1446 Hijri. Next is, Pakistan's first geo-scientific laboratory is functioning in. Islamabad is the right answer. Next is, who is the current governor of Punjab is. The answer is Sardar Salim Haider. Next question is, who is the current Minister for Minorities Affairs of Punjab? Answer is Ramesh Singh Arora. Next is, who is the current Minister for Irrigation of Punjab? Answer is Muhammad Kazim Pirzada. Next is, name of the Nadra chairman who resigned in June 2023. And the answer is Tariq Malik. Next is, name the special assistant to the Prime Minister who resigned in April 2023 is. Answer is Fahad Hussain. Next is, who resigned as Attorney General of Pakistan on 24th March 2023. Answer is Shehzad Ata Ilahi. The next is, who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of Pakistan? And the answer is Sikandar Sultan Raja. Next is, who is the present Federal Minister of Law and Justice in Pakistan? Answer is Azam Nazir Tarad. Next is, Sayyid Mohsen Naqvi become which number of chairman of Pakistan Cricket Board? Answer is 37th. Next is, who was the founder of the Pakistan People Party Parliamentarians? Answer is Amin Fahim. Next is, who has become first ever woman registrar of Supreme Court of Pakistan? Jazila Aslam is the right answer. Next is, which country is the fourth producer of mangoes? Pakistan is the right answer. Next is, which Pakistan's leader to attend 78th United Nations General Assembly session? Prime Minister Anwarul Haq Kakad is the right answer. Last is, name the Pakistan's Commissioner for Indus Waters. Meher Ali Shah is the right answer. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.